morning. This is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out here with.
My name is Himanshu Putla, and I am working over here in this shop. This shop is for everything. I have different types of mobile cover cases, and we used to sell it over here. We have different types of music player, like DJ and something like that. We used to sell it in our shop with different types of cars, remote control cars like Bluetooth, laser light, and everything in that function is included in that car.
Okay.
So this is our shop, so you can see it over here.
Okay.
And refill.
All right. Thank you. And I'm going to show.
We can also use to sell mobiles, repair mobiles, and like used mobiles, new mobiles, everything we used to sell in this ID. You can see this.
Okay, I got it on there. Let me go closer.
This shop is available in Flea, New Paris, Old Paris, Flea Market, Oklahoma City. And here we have 3 shops, and one another shop is available on Norman, Oklahoma. Okay. If you visit on Saturday, Sunday, if you want to visit on Saturday, Sunday, then came here. Otherwise, you visit on the Monday to Friday here. Okay. In Norman, Oklahoma City.
Norman,
We
Oklahoma.
repair all kind of tablets, computer, TV, phone,
You don't want to be.
all kind of phone, tablet,
Okay.
TV, computer, Apple Watch, everything.
We repair all things, and we selling the music systems and as well as many cases and glasses, temper glasses. So it's a very useful and very protective for the customer
For your phone.
for your phone.
Okay. All right.
It's in your budget.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to go around and show you what they have now, guys. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Now I'm going to walk around. Yeah, there you go. Appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm going to walk around now. So I'm going to start over here. So they got every kind of case you can imagine for your cell phone, guys. And they're right here at booth number 15. Here, let me show you what booth they're in. Hold on, let me go out and come back in. Here's the booth right here. Booth number 15. I'm going to go walk around and show you what they have now. We got all kind of stereo stuff here. Very colorful stuff here. That's right, DJ Snake. That's right. Ain't no music going on in here. They cut it off for me. Appreciate it. All right, let's go around. I'm gonna go slow. Got a lot of stuff in here, guys. I'm gonna slow down and show you what they have in here. I'm gonna start with the big stuff first, and then we go to the smaller stuff. And these are electric. These electric.
Yes, everything is electronic.
Yeah, every here, all these electric.
With
This
remote control.
with remote control. So let me get this on the video for them. Then they have motorcycles over here. Then they have cars here, electric cars with remotes. And they come in a box, so I think you have to put them together. Put them together. And this is a Lamborghini. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
That's right, a real one.
It's all of them Bluetooth, lights up and remote.
Okay. Let me go on the other side and do this. I'm gonna get it down. So. I'm gonna get the speakers now. They got these speakers, guys.
Speakers, all of them, Bluetooth, lights up, remote and mic.
Tell them what we're looking at. What? Go ahead and talk. Tell them what we're looking at.
So this is all is like we can play on YouTube also. We can connect with phone in the speaker. So we are like whatever music we want, we can listen on this music player.
Gotcha.
You want to listen?
I can't have music now. They won't let me upload it on YouTube if I have music.
So like different types of like there is this is the big speaker like they are like it can
Uses
be
in
local-
parties and extra.
Parties, right?
Yes, DJ's party and that and use.
Excuse me, sir. They got smaller speakers up here, guys. And they got big ones up here, come in the boxes, brand new.
Next one.
Hmm?
Next one.
You want me to?
Chargers for what phone?
All right, now we did the big stuff. We're gonna go to the stuff for the accessories for the cell phones. We're gonna start over here, guys.
You need just USB code? Just USB code or you want car port and phone?
No, bigger.
Bigger, long? Right. 6 feet, 9 feet. These 13, 11, 15.
This is what they have in the cases.
Works great, nobody complains.
Excuse
Which one
me.
you want? Not now? Oh, you like it? You like it? I will make deal. It's okay. Which one you want? 9 feet? All right.
We got all kind of cases for your cell phones, guys. Got a lot of cases.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get them all on there.
Airports.
Yeah, I'm gonna
on
do
the
this,
bottom.
and then I'm gonna do the
Okay.
case. Yeah, I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna work my way back.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
My pleasure.
Get down there at the bottom.
It's a watch cases and built. And
Okay.
this one is watch
Watch bands.
bands and cases.
Watch bands and cases. They got them.
Tempered glass for watch.
And glass.
Also included a temper glass with
Okay.
watch case.
Gotcha. Go all the way to the front. So guys, if you see something on here, just pause the video when you're watching it and you'll see it. And you come out here, they're booth number 15.
10
Yeah,
and 204.
204.
When you uploaded?
Hmm?
When you upload?
4 o'clock. This evening. Almost done, guys. So I'm going over 10 minutes. I'm going to wrap it up right here. I think I got it all. Okay, let me get back down here. See the script down here. So, anything you guys want to say before I end it? Go ahead and say whatever you want to say before I end it.
Whenever you will come over here, we will give you the best price and best rate. So I hope that you come over here and let's enjoy it.
Yeah.
And
Visit
any
our
phone
shop
you want
and
tempered glass, we will help you to put it
I'm
on.
doing this? No? Okay.
visit on our shop and as you wish you like and take it. Any cases and speakers and cars and everything is here. So just I am telling you to visit it.
Gotcha. All right. So I'm going to wrap it up right here, guys. This is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out late.